friends, it's Danielle with Take Care Mama, and today I'm going to show you my Young Living essential oil haul for the month of April. And we'll get right into it. I have a whole video explaining the rewards program, which this is part of, where I get free oils, I accumulate points, all the things. So that will be linked below, but let's get right into it. A pretty modest but really good haul this month. So first of all, I got Ningxia Red, 2 of these bottles. Came in the package that I bought. I ran out of this a couple months ago. I don't know why I do this to myself, because I noticed such a difference in how I feel when I drink this. So this is Ningxia Red. It's a wolfberry puree, which is really high in antioxidants. And then there are other high antioxidant fruits in here. It's a puree too, so you get some of that fiber. Cherry, blueberry, plum, so good. So my preferred way of taking this is an ounce or 2, and I fill it up with sparkling water. We have a soda stream. It's kind of like a little mocktail. And then I also like to add some Vitality essential oil, whether it's lemon and actually black pepper. Sounds so weird, but it's so good in this. Black pepper, ounce or 2 of this, maybe lemon or lime, soda water, so good. Speaking of citrus essential oils, I got a 15 ml of orange. You'll most likely be seeing more citrus next month. I use citrus every day, and I just went around to all my bottles and realized I am literally out of almost every citrus essential oil. So I guess I started with orange. I'm gonna need to like order everything next month. But I love citrus oils because, I don't know, they blend so easily with other oils. They smell so good on their own. They are really affordable. I think citrus oils are just much cheaper to manufacture, to distill. And yeah, I love diffusing them on their own. Like I said, they blend really well together. The Vitality version I'll put in sparkling water, add it to my Ningxia. It's just, they're happy too. They're really good for diffusing in the morning to kind of wake you up in a joyful way. Okay, I'm so happy to have this. This is the kids' bath gel. We use this for Norma's bubble bath, and I miss it. We also ran out of this and just bought one from like the grocery store, and this, I just miss this so much. A little goes a long way. They're luxurious bubbles, smells so good, cleans really well, and I'm so excited to have this back. And then lastly, on the same subject, I got one for me. And this time I just got the base. So this actually has no scent, which I really like because I love bath salts in my bath, and I actually put essential oils in my bath salts. I have 2 videos on how to do that. I will try to link both of those in the description box below. But that way I just pour my Epsom salts in my bath, which already smell delicious, and then add this to the bath for the bubbles, and they kind of all mix and diffuse together, and it is so good. So there's my haul. Like I said, pretty modest, but a lot of good stuff. I'm so excited for my Ningxia. I'm gonna go make my drink right now. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, or the best way to reach me is to message me on Instagram at takecaremama, all one word. And even if you don't have a question about essential oils, I would love to connect with you over on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day and take care. Bye.